Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to transcribe audio to text automatically. So let's get started. So if you want to change your audio file to a text format, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your browser. So after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for veed.io. So just search for veed.io. And after searching for that, what you have to do is just simply log into your account. So it will automatically take you to this website. From here you have to log into your account. So after logging into your account, what you can do is just tap on create project, which is on the top left corner. After tapping on create project, now you have to upload your audio file. So what you can do is just tap on upload, and after tapping on upload file, head over to your music, and inside your music you will basically have your audio file. So what you can do is just select your audio file. After selecting your audio file, here you can see guys, audio file has been successfully uploaded, and from here what you can do is from this side of your screen you can find this option which is subtitles. Just tap on subtitles, and after tapping on subtitles you can generate automatic subtitles by tapping on this option which is automatically generate captions. So after doing that, now you have to select your preferred language. So just tap on this drop down arrow, and after tapping on that you will find a bunch of languages. So you can select a preferred language, and after selecting a language what you can do is just simply check this option which is add automatic highlighting, and then tap on create subtitles. So you just have to wait for a while, and after waiting for a while it will successfully generate subtitles to your audio file. So here you can see guys, my subtitles has been successfully created. So you can check if the timing is right by tapping on this bar in your timeline, and then check if the timing is right. So if the timing is not right, what you can do is just select the subtitles and then drag it and change your timing. So in this way you can just change the timing. So we are trying to copy these subtitles and change our audio file to a subtitles. So in the top left you can find the subtitles to your audio file. So here you can see the subtitles has been successfully created to my audio file. So you can check if the subtitles are wrong. So after checking all the subtitles, if anything is wrong, what you can do is just simply select that and then change it. So in this way you can change your subtitles. And after checking everything is right and after editing your file, what you can do is just simply tap on these options and then download your subtitles in any one of these formats. So here you can find this first format which is SRT, VTT and text format. So just select any one of those format and then download your text file. So in this way you can download your text file. So after downloading this file, what you can do is just simply look at that file in your files and then use the subtitles in your YouTube video or anywhere that you like. So that's it guys, this is how to transcribe audio to a text automatically. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.